So for today's video kay tudloan na ko ang akong anak na Inglesero kay panahon na sa ting eskwela. Where do you live?
I live
Katarungan
Katarungan
Village. Again, dito. Where do you live?
I live at
Karangan. Again, Katarungan
Katarungan
Village.
Village.
Okay, again, where do you live?
I live at Kukuwan Village.
What?
I live at Kukuwan Village.
Ukurungan? Again, one more. Where do you live?
I live at
Katarungan.
Katarungan
Ayusin mo. Katarungan
Katarungan
Village.
Village.
Again, where do you live?
I live at Village and
Ano, village only? Again, where do you live?
Village and only in Katarungan.
Katarungan.
Yeah, only that.
Yes. And Mambugan. Dali. Again, where do you live?
I live at I live